Why does concrete mix proportioning matter so much? Well, it's because a well-proportioned mix is the key to the strength, durability, and workability of the concrete. And when it comes to concrete mix proportioning, the Indian standard is 10262. 2019 provides a comprehensive guide. The first stipulation within this standard is the design requirements. These give a clear picture of what the project needs, including the target compressive strength, workability, durability, and exposure conditions. Next is the consideration for exposure conditions. The environmental exposure conditions such as mild, moderate, severe, or very severe play a critical role in the choice of materials and mix proportions. Then comes the selection of materials. The types and properties of cement, aggregates, water, and admixtures must be specified and must conform to relevant Indian standards. The fourth stipulation is the water-cement ratio, or WC. The maximum permissible water-cement ratio needs to be determined based on the exposure conditions and the specified compressive strength. The fifth point is about workability. The required workability of the concrete, often measured by the slump value, must be established. Mix proportions should be adjusted to achieve the desired workability. The sixth point is the provision of nominal mix proportions. These are indicative mixes based on assumed properties of materials and can be used when specific material properties are not available. The seventh stipulation is the mix design calculation. Detailed calculations for mix design, incorporating the target compressive strength, water-cement ratio, and other relevant factors should be presented. Eighth on the list is conducting trial mixes. These should be done in the lab using the specified mix proportions. The fresh and hardened concrete properties should be evaluated and the mix should be adjusted as necessary. If admixtures are used, the ninth stipulation requires that their type and dosage be specified. Admixtures should comply with relevant Indian standards. The 10th point is about quality control. A comprehensive quality control plan should be implemented during concrete production. Materials, mix proportions, and finished concrete should be regularly monitored and tested to ensure compliance with the designed mix. Lastly, detailed documentation of the mix design process, trial mix results, adjustments made, and quality control data should be maintained for future reference and quality assurance. And that wraps up the key stipulations of IS 10262, 2019. By adhering to these guidelines, engineers and quality control experts can ensure the production of concrete that meets the specified performance criteria and withstands the intended environmental conditions. This in turn leads to structures that are strong, durable, and reliable.